Hi, welcome to this dialogue with entrepreneurs. I'm going to talk to the founders who are in a startup stage, a growth stage, and who are kind of looking at growing their companies to the next level. So in this series, I would be talking to founders. I would get their experiences. So today we have founder of 99tests, Praveen, with us. Welcome, Praveen. Hi Praveen, good morning.
Hi Sridhar, good morning.
I'm so glad that we are having this conversation today, and thanks for your willingness to come here and share your experiences. I know you have been using iEnabler rapid innovation platform for some time now. I thought I'll pick your brains.
Yes.
And 99tests has been an interesting journey, because you had already kind of achieved that initial product market fit, right? So this was also an interesting experience for iEnabler. So I thought, I should talk to you and figure out what are your experiences of working with iEnabler.
Sure, thank you very much.
Sure. Okay, Praveen, why don't you tell us a little bit about the project that you're working on?
Great, thank you. So I'm from 99tests. We are a crowdsourced testing platform with over 30,000 testers across the world. So we help companies test their mobile apps, web apps very quickly in a very efficient manner, right? So the problem statement that we came to iEnabler was we had an initial set of customers and we are looking for the next growth curve, right? So how do we grow and scale? These were the challenges that we came to iEnabler.
Sure. So Praveen, what is the problem that you are trying to conquer with iEnabler? So you said you already had that initial product market fit, right? So do you want to just expand so that our audience understand what is that next problem that you are trying to solve?
We were looking at the next opportunities and the growth. Of course, you want to hit the 10 million, 100 million targets, right? What is the opportunities we have in our market or adjacent market beyond our current product offering? What are the new products, new markets that we can go after is what the core problem we are trying to solve with iEnabler.
So broadly you're saying you're looking at the product discovery and the market discovery to kind of get that next growth curve, right?
Yes,
right.
Absolutely.
And what was your approach before coming to us? How were you trying to do this?
So that was a typical entrepreneur approach. A lot of insight and intuition driven, and a lot of ideas, iterating fast. Right. And then we came to iEnabler to get some structure to the process and get more predictable results, right? It may sound a little counterintuitive that entrepreneurs love risk taking, but we actually love reducing the risk.
Absolutely. Right.
So we came to iEnabler to look at how we can path the next growth curve for 99tests.
Sure. So what changed with iEnabler in the context of 99tests? What changed?
So we were again doing the problem solution fit, product market fit, trying out different ideas, trying to validate them, but it did take quite a bit of time. Every new idea or product we used to spend 2 to 3 months iterating, building it, going to the market, and sometimes it might not work. Some offerings have not worked, right? And we wanted to get into a much more predictable and market driven approach to the next growth curve. So that's the going from spray and pray or hit driven approach to a little more systematic approach is what we came to iEnabler.
So you were thinking deep, is it? I mean, that's what you started doing.
Yes. So what happened was, again, we were executing a lot of ideas. Now, when we started working with iEnabler, what we did was we started thinking deeply, right? We wrote down all our ideas, we brainstormed completely every idea we had, and we started thinking deeply about the opportunity, about the problem, about the customers, and then we started validating our approach with customers, with the quick dipstick surveys that we did with iEnabler. So that clearly gave us a roadmap of which opportunity to pursue and which opportunity the timing is not right. Right. So we got a very, very clear understanding of where we should put our limited resources being a startup.
Sure.
So it did increase the opportunity and the results that we are going to get in a very, very short time.
Sure, great. So, what were those few aha moments, working with iEnabler?
Of course, the first exercise we did was the most interesting. We created our belief map.
Right.
So, as an entrepreneur, what you believe ultimately drives your venture.
Right.
So, understanding a deep map of my own beliefs, my team's belief, and getting them aligned was very, very valuable.
Sure.
So that was fantastic. And then writing down the ideas and writing down the the markets, which are the opportunities that are available, and trying to map the problem and the market, right? So this was very, very interesting, and this gave us a clear idea of where the market is moving, right? And how we can be at the right place at the right time.
Sure.
With our products or offering.
Sure. I remember in one of the sessions where your teams were kind of emptying all their ideas, and where we had to pull them back and say, no, don't go there so fast. You will have to really understand customer problems first. That's when you took up the phone, called customers, right? I mean, that was an awesome experience, even for us, trying to talk to your customers and understanding where they are, all that.
Absolutely. Since our team and I am a very idea-driven person, it was a great experience to validate a lot of the ideas with the market with you.
Sure. So I know entrepreneurs like you, who are in the growth stage, would use this platform. Who else do you see using this?
So anybody who has a limited amount of time and resource and has to grow quickly exponentially.
Okay.
Right? And as an entrepreneur, you're always fighting, how much time you have till the next funding or till the next growth curve, right? In that time, you want to make something successful, right?
Sure.
And that's where I think iEnabler comes in, where it de-risks your approach to the market. And you can have a really think deeply whether will this give you exponential returns, will it work? So giving a clear map for the senior management, founding team is highly invaluable. So I would recommend anybody who is looking at challenges of growth or they have hit a plateau and they want to de-risk the approach and grow very fast, very quickly like a startup, this process and the iEnabler platform is absolutely amazing.
Thank you, Praveen. Thank you. It's been awesome journey, doing this entire exercise with your team. We wish you many more success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sridhar. Thank you very much and the entire iEnabler team. Thank you.